Hi everyone, welcome back to another 3D printing video. The Artillery Hornet is a high quality 3D printer that is ideal for everyone. In this video, we are going to highlight the top features of this 3D printer that makes it unique and great for all. The Artillery Hornet is equipped with a Titan type extruder for optimal filament traction and a smooth and stable feed. This extruder is Bowden type, which allows printing at high speeds without warping. The Artillery Hornet features a copper-coated nozzle with high thermal conductivity. This equipment has a tempered glass printing surface with a better thermal transmission that improves the adhesion of the material and facilitates its removal once it's cold. Thanks to this printing surface, the use of specific adhesions is generally not required, especially when using materials such as PLA or PTG. One of the highlights of this printer is that it comes 95% pre-assembled. You need only less than 10 minutes to complete the assembly. Having said that, new users will not be exposed to improper installation that might lead to printing issues. The Artillery Hornet includes a mini display and a button where the user can navigate through the entire interface of the device. This user-friendly interface allows any user to operate this 3D printer. To make the use of this equipment even easier, Artillery accompanies this 3D printer with a case containing different tools and very useful spare parts for the operation and maintenance of Hornet. One of the top features of this printer is that the main board and stepper driver are super quiet. This printer has a silent 32-bit mainboard. It's an easy system to recommend for proximity to your workspace. Artillery Hornet is a very affordable 3D printer that has a great performance. It costs around 769 ringgit. Artillery is recognized worldwide for offering 3D printing solutions with a great price-performance ratio that adapt to the different needs of users. Hornet is an ideal 3D printer for those who are looking to enter the world of 3D printing. Also, it's perfect for the educational centers where students can carry out their projects and improve their skills and technological knowledge. If you want to know more about this 3D printer, you can visit the link of the product page in the description. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. And also, don't forget to join our 3D printing community in Telegram. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned and see you next time.